How to add video on Framer. So hello guys and welcome back to today's video. In today's video, let's show you how you will be able to add a video onto your Framer website. So let's open a website or design that we have over here. Now, adding a website or rather adding a video is fairly simple. Simply click on insert over here on the top left and you will be able to see here under media, you will be able to add or insert three types of video over here. It could be a video like from your files. You could have it for YouTube or a video link from YouTube or even from Vimeo. For the video over here, you can easily replace or have the video change by simply inputting or placing a URL link of the video over here, or you can even upload your own file over here as you can see. Simply select the URL or upload source over here on the right side and you will be able to change the video that you are adding into Framer. So that's basically it guys. Consider leaving a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.